All right, so he's the second place winner as Bartender of the Year, Culinary Federation of Jamaica, and he's also the bar team leader at Rock House in Negril. He's Gossett Brown. And what I tell you, must go make this man, him change his mind. Him not going to make that. It's when me say you make this man.
The Currypolitan, which is a chicken drink.
Currypolitan. But there's a chicken drink.
Yes, but I'll tell you what, I'm not going to feed you alcohol so early in the morning.
No, it's that we want, though. We drink plenty alcohol early morning, noon, or not. Joke, because right. Them know I don't drink. Well, go on. So what's this? What you come second in now? Tell me about that. That was last year, right?
That was last year. The Taste of Jamaica Caribbean, the Taste of Jamaica competition is held in Montego Bay at the Convention Center out at Rose Hall. Now, there's 3 categories each bartender must compete in: rum, non-alcoholic, and vodka. The vodka is your culinary cocktail, where there should be some form of culinary technique or fire in your beverage. You can twist your other beverages and put fire in your rum or in your non-alcoholic. So today I'm going to show you a bit of that.
So that's what you came second in?
Yes,
and
sir.
then you move on to the Taste of the Caribbean?
Yes, sir.
Which is when?
Which is June 2nd to the 6th.
Where is it?
In Miami at the Hyatt Regency.
So, is what, 3 Jamaicans go there?
Well, actually, there's a whole culinary team going there.
Okay.
But there's 3 bartenders. There's also an event called the Caribbean 305, which at least one bartender must participate in. Okay. There's one that's going to compete for the Caribbean Bartender of the Year, and then there's one that's going to be there for the rest of the team.
Do you know what you'll be asked to do yet?
Well, so far we've been told that there is a mystery basket, so they're just going to stick you in a bar.
And you have to just come up with something.
Right. And then your regular culinary cocktail, which is the vodka category, your rum cocktail, which must be a twist on a classical rum drink.
All right.
And then your non-alcoholic.
So what you going to do this man? Now, why we have a lighter here?
Well, as I said, we're going to use a small amount of fire. Don't worry, I won't burn the studio down.
Oh, make sure. So what you going to make?
All right, what I'm going to make today is called Jada's Jungle Juice.
Jada's Jungle Juice.
Yes, Jada's my daughter. And
hey, Jada.
My general manager also loves this beverage.
Jada love the beverage?
Of course, man. She eats everything out of it.
Oh.
So it's going to be like a virgin sangria.
Whatever sangria is.
Wine-based cocktail.
All right, there you go. We'll start now, make us see what you do now.
All right.
And talk me through it, all right?
All right, so first I'm going to get our fresh pineapples and run this through this juice extractor.
Show me while you talk.
Very well. We're going to get fine. Add some watermelon.
All right, so we're going pine and we're going watermelon.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Let's tell you what, we're going to add a little bit more of this watermelon juice that I had prepped earlier.
So this is the watermelon
juice.
Yes,
sir. But just, for the folks watching, we just demonstrated what we would normally do. All right, so I'm adding a small amount of that.
And this is the watermelon?
Yes, sir.
And some more pine or no?
No, this is orange juice.
This is orange juice.
Yes,
so
sir.
Now we have pine, watermelon, and orange juice. All right.
All right. Next, we're going to get mint leaves.
Is the fire? May I wait?
Don't worry yourself, man. Fire will come, man.
Yeah, don't worry, me just...
All right, so first we're going to fold them in our hands like this, and we're going to slap them.
And that would do what?
It releases the oils from the skin. Don't run, come back.
You're frightened, mister.
No, man, don't be afraid, man. All right, so we're just going to add a few pieces more to that. All right. Throw that in.
Yeah.
Stir that for a minute.
The girls will slap that too.
All right.
So you leave the leaves in there?
Yeah, man. Let the essence of the mint get out into the beverage.
Okay.
All right. Next, we're going to fill these glasses here with ice.
Why we have ginger?
The ginger, thank you for reminding me, is to give you a
You're
small
most welcome.
kick. Just a small kick, and you know, ginger is also good for your stomach.
Yeah.
So if you didn't have tea this morning, don't worry, I got you covered.
Yeah, you don't have much time now, though. No. How old is your daughter, by the way?
She's 2.
Oh, she watching this morning?
She's actually in the studio with her mom,
Which studio?
right here in TVJ studio. My wife's.
She's not in this studio, so you sure is this?
What, you trying to get rid of her?
No, but she's not in the
Let me
studio.
find
You said
you.
she's in the studio.
Let me find you.
Come.
All right.
What?
So we're gonna put the top on, which is gonna hold the leaves back, and we're gonna pour that on top.
And that's it?
Nope, we're not done just yet.
You still not telling me about you know, use the ginger
Hold on, man.
and the fire? We have run out of time. You have 39 seconds. And we'll give an extra second. Look good.
Now the pineapples we're gonna put on top.
More pineapple.
Yeah, man, just for garnish. So
Mike-
she
Mike,
likes fruit cocktails, but she doesn't like the ones that are in, all that preservatives.
Who is that?
My
Jada?
daughter, yes,
Okay,
Jada.
all right. So Jada is the expert.
Yes, man.
What is this now?
This is watermelon.
More watermelon. I like it still, you know. Ginger.
Which now we're going to break and press.
Break and press.
Yeah, man. We just want a small kick of ginger, not much.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
Fire.
Getting to that. Now we're gonna heat the skin of the orange
Why?
because it's gonna bring the essentials oils to the top of the skin, which we're gonna do a small little flame like this.
Do that again.
Oop, okay.
I like it.
Then we rim the glass with that, so you're gonna have a hint of orange when you hold it to your nose for a smell.
Yep.
And last but not least, a mint leaf.
But this don't look like it's supposed to drink. So you're supposed to just take 2 pictures and put it down the house when you're done.
Well, trust me, if you drink it, you enjoy it even more. Well, the picture would last longer though.
Yeah.
And there we have Jada's jungle juice.
Jada's jungle juice.
Yes, sir. Respect.
I love it.
Yeah, man.
So when you go off to Florida now?
June 2nd. Well, first, we're going on June 1st. There's a seminar that we have to be a part of, and then after that, competition kicks off.
And you're at Rock House in the Grill.
Yes, sir.
Yell up the people at Rock.
Well, I want to big up everybody at Rock House, all the Rock House Massive, all the bar team, management, big up yourself, Culinary Federation to the world, you know?
You forget Jada. Oh, Jada's.
That alone talks about Jada. That's Jada right there.
I respect my brother.
Yes, man,
Thanks a lot.
respect.
I'll be safe way back.
Anytime.
All right?
Thank you, sir.
Gossett Brown, second place bartender of the year, Culinary Federation of Jamaica.